Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our CSE360 project. My name is MD Nefar Rahman. My group mates are MD Mehedi Hassan and MD Tanvirul Islam. So our project is to design a data log system which is supposed to give the temperature and humidity with the help of sensors. So we did not go for the simulation part. We have totally shifted to the hardware part and completed the entire project in hardware. The plan of our project was to design something for a factory. So if the heat generating source of a factory is producing more heat, or the figures are exceeding the limits of an admissible value, the power supply of the factory will be automatically shut down until the entire system is on a cool down. So this is the code for our project. We are going to use the sensor digital temperature and humidity sensor, which is also known as DHT. We are going to use the DHT11 version of it, although the better performing DHT22 sensors are already available in the market. We are going to use the serial begin of 9600 because that's the most common baud rate used in most sensors and development boards. We are going to use a delay of 1000 milliseconds, which is also 1 second of delay. We have initialized three different variables, which are the humidity reading, temperature reading, and f if the values are true or false. And that is because we are taking another condition is none, which is not a number. If the answer or the values we are getting in response are not numbers or garbage values, we will not accept those as correct outputs, and we will not show them in the display monitor. Rather, we'll show the fail to get reading from the sensors. And after all that, if we get the correct outputs, we will just print them in the serial monitor as T and H, serial monitor or an LCD display. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. This is Muhammad Tanvirul Islam. I have done the LabVIEW site. I have set an thermometer and humidity and the graphical interfaces of them. In the backend side, here all the connections are shown. Mainly, this is the string receiver that I have made. This string receiver receives the date and time and temperature and humidity and three of our IDs. Selecting the port, if I run this project, this is pretty much shown. The temperature is 30 and the humidity is 80, but the string is quite broken. That was all my part, and rest of the part, which is hardware part, will be described by Mehdi Hassan Tishan. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Mehedi Hassan. So I'll continue from hardware implementation and circuitry. As you can see here, we are using a LCD display. Here is our 8 data pin, and we connect ground, VCC, and to adjust the LCD we use here also a potentiometer. I will not talk much on it as far as our main concern is humidity sensor. So here you can see we are using in DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor. So we'll connect ground and VCC in Arduino, ground and VCC pin, and for data input, and we will use the sensor read part in Arduino 10 number pin. It is showing temperature 30 degrees centigrade and humidity 79%. It's also showing in our serial monitor. So let's see if we can manipulate this one. So I'm using a lighter. It's already 31 temperature, and humidity also increased. Same output is also showing here. Temperature 30, 31, right now 31, and humidity now it's decreasing, and again temperature here 31, humidity 78%. So now to change in humidity, we will use a white tissue paper. Here it's now showing 78. Let's see if it is changing or not. See, humidity increase 91, 90, it's almost 90%, right? So again, if we increase the temperature, see, humidity is also changing and temperature is also increasing, and we can see the same output here. Temperature is showing 30 degrees centigrade and humidity 80%, and it's now again it's now decreasing. So if we want to modify it for in future, we can use it in industry, we can use in home automation, we can use it as is in our agriculture